That's called a Pirates Cove Porirua. Yeah, neat and clean. Thank you for watching my vlog.
You come down for a bit.
Yeah.
Open 9 to 5.
9 to 5, 7 days. I've just read it.
Except for Christmas Day.
Except Christmas Day.
It's raining.
Cheers. Thank you, boss.
No, all good, mate. Thank you.
Thank you. People are good, they don't say much, they are friendly. And the matter of the fact, I'm living in this suburb from last 3 years, and even I didn't knew that this is a private property. But thank you, boss. You have a good day. See you. Thank you, people. See, that's how we explore. Sometimes we are uncomfortable in doing such things, but we have to try. You know why? We have to try. If something we're doing wrong, somebody will correct us. And if somebody is not correcting us, that means we are doing right. us. I hope you all are doing well. lucky that door is closed. Very happy that doors are locked. We don't want to see such stuff. Hey, hello. But all good. The trouble is, people over here, very few YouTubers you will see in New Zealand or around me. I think I'm the only one who's recording the vlogs, and when I pull out my camera, people just look at me with the weird looks and they keep on staring at me, which is not a problem. Which is definitely not a problem. Look at me in that way. But I have to do my job.